everybody, my name is Doug, and today I'm going to be opening up those two boxes and assembling the contents. What are in those boxes, you might ask? That is the KD Frames Nomad platform bed in natural Poplar, and this particular model is a queen size, and I did get the Trundle bed option, which is the smaller box. This is a platform bed, no box spring required, and it's all natural wood. I've been wanting to put together a platform bed kit. This is a kit, all the parts come in it, you assemble it yourself for quite a while, and it's made in the USA, which is even better. You can buy this on Amazon, and right now it's $256 for a queen size, and the Trundle bed is about $95. So if you're getting both the Trundle bed and the queen size together, you're looking at right around the neighborhood of $350. But be aware that prices can and do change frequently on Amazon, so you'll want to check that out yourself. I'll put a link down below in the description box. If you use that, it'll support my channel. I'm going to put it together, and you'll get to watch me do that and fast forward, and then I'll have some comments on it. I'm really excited about this one. Before I dive in, though, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please click the thumbs up button. Here we go. What do you think? Feels really sturdy so far. Now, we'll work on the trundle bed. Trundle bed is done. What do you think? Let's put them together. Just a few preliminary thoughts here on the KD Poplar bed frame, natural poplar, queen size. Everyone always wants to know the dimensions of the slats. The slats themselves are 2 inches wide, and the space between slats is just a hair under 3 inches. And the slat itself is about 1 1/8 tall, maybe approaching 1 1/4. The underbed clearance on the end is 9 inches, and the underbed clearance on the side is just over 11 inches. Well, let me check that one more time. It's just under a foot, just over 11 inches, between 11 and 12 inches tall. And it's really, really sturdy. I like this. I've got another platform bed, a quick snap type bed from Zenith. I can't walk on it, it's not sturdy enough, but this one I can. And you know, I'm a full grown man. I weigh over 200 pounds. So yeah, this is sturdy. This'll hold. And at least at first, now they've tightened everything, there's no squeaking at all. Again, the instructions recommend retightening all of those hex screws after 30 days, and I think that makes a lot of sense. The only thing that I'm slightly disappointed in, it's very slight, is that some of the wood's a little discolored, but it says after 30 days or so it'll naturally lighten up. You could also paint this, you can varnish it, stain it, use polystain like Minwax Polyshades, which has the polyurethane and the stain both built in. You can do whatever you want with it, or you can just leave it natural. You could put a clear finish on it if you want it natural but protected, which I will probably do one of those two. I think I'm either going to leave it natural or I'm going to just put a clear coat on it, and I'm going to wait 30 days to see if any of the wood lightens up. If that's something you're interested in, just put a comment down below and let me know. So Yeah, I would highly recommend this bed frame, and let's take a look at it with the trundle option. Here's your trundling feature. Slides out and trundles back in real easily with the rolling wheels. So here it is with a mattress. This is a basic 6-inch thick kids mattress. My room is too narrow, I can't quite do it, I'll have to get out of the way. And it fits no problem, slides like a breeze, real easily. You could go with a 7-inch thick mattress, twin size obviously. I think you even go up to 8 and be okay. You still have about a 1/2 inch clearance. I would not go with anything thicker than an 8-inch mattress for the twin trundle bed. Let's pull that out all the way and show you what it looks like here, if that matters. There you go. Trundling wonderfully. Sliding it back in. Slides super easily. So here I am sitting on the bed. It's all done. I put the mattress back on. This particular mattress is a Dream Cloud mattress, which is roughly 16 inches thick. The platform bed itself comes in at 15 inches off the ground. So to determine whatever you need, you would have to add your mattress to 15. So I've got about a 31-inch height here. That's a little on the high side. My feet are just barely flat on the ground, and I'm a pretty average 5'11". So this, if you like high-ish mattresses, this would be a good setup. If you want something more average, you might want to use this platform bed with a mattress that's a little more average in the thickness, maybe 12 inches or so, something more along those lines. So I hope this review was helpful for you. I'm really loving this bed frame, and I hope you will too. So there'll be a card up here in the corner you can click on that'll tell you where you can buy it, and then also check the description box for a link. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Have a good one.